Hello there. I thought that I would share with you a flea market haul. I recently posted a video, a short trip to the flea market, I think was the title of it, or something of that sort, something like that. And this is the tool haul that I got there, and I paid, I can't remember, this was $5. This was two, I think this was $3. This was $1, and this was $3. And so what I have a set of Evans Torx or Star drivers, and they look like nobody's ever used a single one of these. There's not a mark on either of the tips. And these are made in the USA. Um, and if you know me, you know that I prefer dedicated drivers to multi-bit. Now I have a multi-bit driver just like this one. Okay, this screwdriver, bit driver, is a screaming good bit driver. Hang on a minute and let me show you why. Listen very closely and watch. You can't you can't hardly get that. It takes some force to get that out of there. Bit stay in this bit. It's an old Craftsman USA. Bit stay in this bit driver. I love this. I already have one in my toolkit, but anytime I see these, I saw two of these today. This one looks brand new. And I saw one that was scratched up and the numbers and all the letters and everything. The Made in USA, the Craftsman, it's all worn off of it. They wanted $1 for it. If it had been in better condition, I would have purchased it. But anytime I see these, I will purchase them because they're outstanding. This was $2. And you won't find a better one anywhere near that price. So love it. Also, we have a pair of channel lock diagonal cutting pliers. If you watch, those pliers are still sharp. They've got a little bit of rust on them that I will clean off, and I'll clean these handles off. But these are channel lock Meadsville, I think it is, Pennsylvania, USA, diagonal cutting pliers. So they're small set. They will go in my set. Then I have a Klein, made in USA. Number 2. And the tip has been used, but it's in really good shape. There's no damage to it at all. It's got drywall or something in it that I will get out, but it's a number 3. Once again, I like dedicated drivers, so I grabbed that. This was $1. And then for me, one of the best finds, my two favorite finds are these. Well, 3 because I gotta count this, and then these Knipex Cobras. Now I don't know what size this is. I don't believe it's this. I thought it was like the 7 1/4. Let me get my tape measure. These are the 9 3/4 or 9 1/2. I'm not sure which one Knipex makes because I'm new to them. I've never really owned any of these. It's been treated poorly, but everything still operates. And the teeth are in decent shape. They're just dirty, but I will clean that out. It looks like pipe dope or something like that in them. But I'll clean these up. I think the model number is long since gone off of these. The handles are worn, but they will be serviceable, and I look forward to using them and making them a part of my kit. So, I mean, they're really cool to find. A lot of times you don't find them because people don't get rid of them. Evidently, this guy, whoever it was, used these hard, wrote them hard and put them away wet, so to speak. But that's all right, because I'll put them to use. I'll take them, clean them up, and put them to use. They look like they've been laying in the dirt to me. We'll clean all that off, clean the rest off of them, oil them up, and they will serve for a long time. So that's my flea market haul. And as I go to the different flea markets and look for tools, I will carry you along with me. Hopefully what we can do is build a toolkit from flea market tools and slowly build something like that. And I already have these are flea market. These are flea market. That's flea market. That's flea market. That's flea market. So, yeah, we've already got a pretty good kit here built up. So, anyway, thank you for watching. Bless you, and I'll talk to you later.